Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Power Options in Control Panel. This is where Windows stores power plans and their GUID. Once there, identify the plan you want to remove and note its exact name. Make sure to run Command Prompt as Administrator next. You'll need elevated rights to delete built-in or custom plans. Why use Admin? Because deletion modifies system settings and prevents accidental loss. Now that you have the plan name and admin prompt ready, proceed to locate its GUID. Run power/list in the elevated command prompt to show every power scheme and its GUID. This is essential for safe deletion. Once you see the GUID, copy it exactly, including the braces, because an incorrect character will fail the command. Make sure to check which plan is currently active. Windows won't permit deleting the active scheme without switching first. If the target is active, switch to a different built-in plan using power/setactive, followed by the new. Delete the plan by running power/delete GUID. Replace GUID with the copied identifier. After the command returns success, verify removal using power/list or by reopening Power Options in Control Panel to confirm it's gone. If the command fails, make sure you used an elevated prompt, that the GUID is correct, and that the plan isn't active. Switch active plans if needed and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if permission errors persist, reboot into an admin account or safe mode and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.